Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Najihah and my metric number was A22A0165. Today I will be presenting my internship experience at Medellin Dental Group Sindian Berhad, where I completed my industrial training from 9 March 2026 until 26 June 2026 as a finance intern. Throughout this presentation, I will share the company's background, my job responsibilities, the skills and knowledge I gained, the issues and challenges I encountered, my contribution to the company, and finally my recommendation and conclusion. Firstly, I would like to introduce the company where I completed my internship. BINTI Dental Group Sindian Berhad was established in 2000 and is headquartered in Bandar Baru Udar, Johor Bahru. It is a private healthcare organization specializing in dental services. Today, the company operates 14 branches together with several affiliated clinics in Johor and Kuala Lumpur. The organization provides comprehensive dental treatments, including scaling and polishing, fillings, dentures, and many other specialist dental services. The company is led by Dr. Ashwawi, also known as Dr. Awi, who is the managing director and principal dentist with more than 30 years of experience in the dental industry. Next is the company's vision and mission. The vision of Medellin Dental Group is to become the leading oral healthcare treatment center in Malaysia. To achieve this vision, the company has established several missions. The first mission is to provide the latest oral healthcare services and treatments by adopting modern technology and treatment techniques. Secondly, the company emphasizes friendly and professional customer service to ensure patient satisfaction. The third mission is to continuously conduct training and learning programs for employees so they can improve their knowledge and professional skills. Lastly, the company aims to provide a user-friendly infrastructure and comfortable atmosphere for patients. The company's tagline is among the largest dental network in the region, which reflects its commitment to expanding quality dental healthcare services. This slide shows the management structure of Medellin Dental Group. The company consists of several important departments that work together to achieve organizational objectives. The clinical department is responsible for providing dental treatment and patient care. The operations department coordinates the daily operation of all clinic branches and ensures smooth business operations. The finance and account department manage the organization financial activities including account receivable, account payable, bank reconciliation, audit preparation, and financial reporting. Finally, the administration and support department manage documentation, scheduling, communication, record keeping, and administrative coordination. During my internship, I was assigned to the finance department, where I mainly handle account receivable activities. During my internship, I was exposed to several important financial functions. The first responsibility was account receivable, where I monitored customer payments and maintained accurate financial records. Secondly, I handled panel collection by following up on outstanding payments from healthcare panels such as AIA, PMK, Health Metric, Benefits, Perkeso, and MedCard through emails and telephone calls. Another important task was bank reconciliation, where I compared company records with bank statements to ensure every transaction was accurately recorded. I also completed the April bank reconciliation using the newly implemented Buku accounting system. Lastly, I assisted in audit preparation by preparing documents requested by auditors, including general ledger, trial balance, bank statement, invoice, and supporting documents for the financial year 2023 until 2025. Throughout my internship, I gained both technical and soft skills. From a technical perspective, I learned account receivable management, bank reconciliation using Buku, audit documentation preparation, panel collection, monitoring, and healthcare panel claim processes. I also gained exposure to computerized accounting systems such as Buku. Besides technical knowledge, I developed important soft skills. For example, I improved my communication skill by following up the healthcare panels professionally through emails and phone calls. I also strengthened my time management skill because I had to prioritize multiple financial tasks simultaneously. Working closely with the finance department improved my teamwork, attention to details, professionalism, and adaptability, especially when learning a completely new accounting system. Most importantly, I developed essential professional skills such as communication, teamwork, responsibility, time management, adaptability, and problem solving. Besides learning new knowledge, I was also able to contribute to the company by successfully clearing outstanding panel collection from January to March, preparing audit documents requested by auditors, and completing the April bank reconciliation using the newly implemented Buku accounting system. I believe this internship has strengthened both my technical and professional competencies and has prepared me for my future career in the finance and accounting field. Now, I would like to explain the issues that I observed during my internship at Medini Dental Group Sedan Berhad. This issue referred to the organizational problems faced by the company, particularly within the finance department. The first issue was the shortage of manpower in the finance department. During my internship, the department only consisted of one financial controller, one finance executive, and two interns. However, one staff member was on maternity leave while another employee had resigned. As a result, only a small number of employees were available to handle all financial operations. This situation increased the workload and sometimes affected the efficiency of daily operations, especially during month-end closing and audit periods. Therefore, I realized that sufficient manpower is important to ensure work can be completed efficiently without affecting work quality. Next, the second issue was the difficulty in retrieving financial documents during the audit process. During my internship, I assisted in preparing audit documents for the financial year 2023 until 2025. The auditors requested various supporting documents such as general ledgers, trial balance, bank statements, invoice, and other accounting records. Some documents were stored in different systems such as Buku, AutoCount, Microsoft Excel, and physical files. Therefore, locating the requested documents sometimes required additional time. This issue affected the efficiency of the audit preparation process because the finance department had to spend extra time searching and verifying documents before submitting them to the auditors. Other than that, the third issue was adapting to the new Buku accounting system. Around April 2026, the company introduced Buku as its new accounting software. Since the system was newly implemented, employees needed time to understand its functions, features, and workflow. During the transition period, employees had to ensure that the financial information transferred into Buku remained accurate. This adjustment process temporarily affected work efficiency because everyone was still learning how to use the system effectively. However, despite the initial difficulties, the implementation of Buku is expected to improve financial management and operational efficiency in the long term. Besides the organizational issues, I also faced several personal challenges while carrying out my responsibilities as a finance intern. These challenges helped me improve my technical knowledge, communication skill, and problem-solving abilities. The first challenge was handling outstanding healthcare panel collections. Throughout my internship, I was responsible for monitoring outstanding payments from various healthcare panels. Each panel had different payment terms, reimbursement procedure, and processing periods. Therefore, I had to monitor payment status carefully and conduct follow-ups through professional emails and telephone calls. Sometimes I needed to communicate several times before receiving payment updates. This experience improved my communication skills, patience, and confidence when dealing with external organizations professionally. The second challenge was performing bank reconciliation. One of my responsibilities was matching the company's accounting records with the bank statements to ensure every financial transaction was recorded accurately. Sometimes the figures did not tally because of unmatched transaction, timing differences, or missing records. To solve this, I had to carefully review every transaction, compare information in buku with bank statement, identify discrepancies, and ensure that the final balances were accurate. The third challenge was preparing audit documents within a limited time frame. The auditors requested numerous supporting documents, including general ledger, trial balance, bank statements, invoice, payment vouchers, and other accounting records. At the same time, I still needed to continue my daily responsibilities such as monitoring accounts receivable, following up outstanding payments, and monitoring daily collection. This experience had a significant impact on my understanding of business operation, entrepreneurship, and management. Firstly, from a business perspective, I realized that financial management plays a vital role in ensuring the sustainability of an organization. Every payment received from patients or healthcare partners contributes directly to the company's cash flow. Therefore, monitoring account receivable and collecting outstanding payments are very important because delayed payment may affect the company's ability to finance its daily operations. I also learned that preparing complete and accurate audit documentation improves transparency and ensures that financial information can be verified efficiently. This strengthens stakeholders' confidence in the company's financial reporting. Secondly, from an entrepreneurship perspective, I learned that businesses must continuously improve and adapt to technological changes. One example is the implementation of the buku accounting system. Although the transition required time and adjustment, the company adapted this system to improve operational efficiency, financial accuracy, and record management. This experience showed me that successful businesses are willing to invest in new technologies to remain competitive and improve organizational performance. Thirdly, from a management perspective, I learned that teamwork and communication are essential in achieving organizational goals. Throughout my internship, I worked closely with the finance executive and financial controller. I also communicated regularly with healthcare partners through emails and telephone calls to follow up on outstanding payments. Based on the issues that I observed during my internship, I would like to propose several recommendations that may help improve the effectiveness of the finance department. The first recommendation is to recruit more qualified employees in the finance department. Due to the shortage of manpower, existing employees were required to perform multiple responsibilities. Recruiting additional accounting personnel would help distribute workloads more evenly, reduce work pressure, improve productivity, and allow employees to focus on their assigned tasks. Employees with prior knowledge of accounting system would also require less training and adapt more quickly. The second recommendation is to improve document management. The company should maintain both soft copy and hard copy records for all financial documents. Documents should be organized according to financial year, clinic branch, and document category using standardized file names and filing procedures. By implementing a systematic filing system, employees can retrieve financial documents much faster during audits, reducing delays and improving operational efficiency. The third recommendation is to provide continuous training on the buku accounting system. Although buku offers many useful features, employees require sufficient training to maximize its capabilities. The company should organize regular training sessions, workshops, and internal knowledge sharing activities whenever new system updates are introduced. Continuous learning will improve employees' confidence, reduce operational errors, and enable the company to gain maximum benefits from digital transformation. My final recommendation is to strengthen accounts receivable monitoring and collection management. Since Medini Dental Group collaborates with many healthcare partners, the finance department should establish a standardized collection schedule and prepare monthly agent report to monitor overdue accounts. The company may also consider implementing automatic payment reminder and clearer follow-up procedures. This improvement would enhance collection efficiency, reduce outstanding balances, improve cash flow, and strengthen the company's financial position. In conclusion, I believe these recommendations would not only solve the current operational challenges but also improve the overall efficiency, productivity, and long-term sustainability of Medeni Dental Group Sdn Bhd. In conclusion, my internship at Medeni Dental Group Sdn Bhd has been a valuable and meaningful learning experience. Throughout the internship, I successfully applied the knowledge that I learned at university to real workplace situations. I gained practical experience in account receivable management, bank reconciliation, audit preparation, healthcare panel management, and computerized accounting system. Most importantly, I developed essential professional skills such as communication, teamwork, responsibility, time management, adaptability, and problem solving. I believe this internship has strengthened both my technical and professional competencies and has prepared me for my future career in the finance and accounting field.